What's going on, guys? So we recently had an awesome trip down at the jetties. We went to the North Jetty about 3.5 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago, and had an awesome day. Caught jacks, caught redfish. I think there was kingfish boiling up on top of the water, and it was just constant action throughout the morning. It was an awesome day until I realized that I left my GoPro stabilizer off, the stabilizing feature off. I didn't realize it until I got home. I thought I had a bunch of awesome footage, and when I got home, I looked at it and I realized it was super shaky and I wasn't gonna be able to use it. So really unfortunate. That was gonna make an awesome video, but we wanted to try it again. So we went again this past weekend, and the action wasn't so good. The water was clean, not much wind, but for whatever reason, the fish just weren't there. There was a couple bull reds. I caught one bull red. Some of the other guys caught some bull reds. We caught some trout right by the jetty boat landing right there where you load up. And it was just a really slow day. It got really hot early, and that kind of just, I think, killed the bite. And so not a great trip, but we got a couple fish. We got at least a little bit of content to make up for what we lost on the last trip. I'll show you all a little bit of that from the last trip right now. I would get that popper probably. Popper? Yeah. They're jacks or something, I think. Oh, they're still out there. There we go. So as y'all can see, it was super messed up, not usable. I wish I could have used it because, like I said, I was really excited about that footage. But it won't happen again because now I check it every time I go out. So hopefully y'all enjoy this video right here. If y'all do, make sure y'all like and subscribe to help the channel keep growing. We're growing really slow right now, but hopefully we get there. My initial goal is 1,000 subscribers. So hopefully we can get there, and I really appreciate y'all doing that. And I hope y'all enjoy this video. We'll catch up with y'all later. First cast. Huh? I was right there. I was just bouncing it, but it feels small. It actually, I don't even know. Can you look at that right there? Is that a skipjack? This rock's a little sketchy right here. Huh? What's that? Pull them up a little higher? Yeah. Thought about it, but that rock up there is a little sketchy. Yeah. I'm not worried about it. If he gets off, he gets off. Do you want it? You want it? No, it's your view. Hey, your camera's kind of pointed up, bro. Oh, okay. I know, right? Why wasn't it on? Nah, it was. Yeah, I'm surprised with that water that nice. There's nothing over there. But like you said, maybe it's too cold or something.
Yeah, that water's fresh as fuck. Real cold. Yeah, it doesn't feel good. Yeah, dude.
High rock. He's kind of straight ahead where that jet ski is.
Big head, bro. Where's the next wave? Yeah, it's like an ancient head, bro. Look at that head.
Yeah.
Old fish.
It's a heavy one. It's hard to feel with these gloves.
That fish looks like weird.
Ugly bastard. All right, first bull of the day. Didn't measure him, he's probably around 40. Try to get him back safe. Come on, fella. You see it? You got it? Oh yeah. All right, it's not a bass. Let's get him in here. You got it, or you want me to get down there? Put him in that little crack to the left of you there. And hurry up, the boat's coming. Solid one. There's a trout with him. There's one right underneath him. See him? I know, but this is a bigger one. Well, probably about the same size as the last one. Dude, they're freaking stacked in here. That's 3 bites in a row.